Now, the railway budget will be presented by Railway Minister D.V. Sadanand Gowda tomorrow. Now, when it comes to matters related to Indian Railways, Sadanand Gowda and his younger brother Suresh Gowda are on the same page, or shall we say the same platform. That's because Suresh Gowda is a station master in coastal Karnataka, and he'll be listening to his elder brother's speech very carefully to find out if he manages to put Indian Railways on the right track. Ratnika Sharma sent us this report.
Let's embark on a journey with headlines today all the way from Bangalore to Mangalore and Puttur, the hometown of Railway Minister Sadanand Gowda, to have a rendezvous with his younger brother D.V. Suresh Gowda. So let's embark on this journey with headlines today.
We travel from Bangalore to Mangalore in coastal Karnataka to reach Nandikur near Udupi, where Suresh Gowda, the Railway Minister Sadanand Gowda's younger brother, is posted as a station master.
We have reached Mangalore Central Station, and from here we will continue our journey towards Nandikur near Udupi, where Suresh Gowda is posted.
Gowda Jr. wants to see his brother put Indian Railways on top gear while ensuring the safety is not relegated to the loop line.
I'm feeling very proud that my brother has taken over as a cabinet rank in the Modi government as a railway minister. Under his leadership, I am working as station master in same railway, so I am feeling very proud about him.
Nandikur railway station was built 3 years ago and its charge was given to Suresh Gowda. About 25 to 30 trains pass by the station every day. Gowda hopes his brother will push the right buttons while in charge at Rail Bhavan.
As far as budget, since my brother only submitting the budgets, personally I don't want to expect anything from him. But as a whole, railway is a vast area covering, that is third place in the world. Lot of developments to be done. Already before taking over, submitting the budget, already 14.2% something fare hiked. A lot of against was there for that. But since 3-4 years, there was no hike in the railway fare. For the improvement of the railway, lot of budget is required. So in my opinion, this hiking the fare was not much affected public.
Suresh Gowda will be glued to the TV set on Tuesday when Sadanand Gowda presents his budget. And the railway minister will be hoping that the Nandikur station shows the green flag to his budget proposals.
D.V. Suresh Gowda has high hopes and expectations from the railways. While he is proud to have served as a station master for the last 29 years, he has dreams of having high-speed trains in India, safety for goods and passengers, and a clean railway system. He is positive that the upcoming railway budget will definitely prove to be useful for the country. With camera person Shivmurthy, Ratnika Sharma in Nandikur for Headlines Today.